Hi everyone, Harrison here from LED Torch Shop, here with another LEP from Lumintop. They seem to just be absolutely smashing out the LEPs at the moment. This is the fourth one in their range. It's called the Lumintop Thor 5. Not too sure why they called it 5, but even though it's the fourth one out, but it is the Lumintop Thor 5. Now, this one, they've gone for like a really cool space theme. That photo at the front is pretty much exactly what it looks like. It is a really cool, all titanium, maximum distance of 1200 meters. That's 1.2K, just a little over 300 lumens. But I'll get it out and we'll just go through the specs. Da-da-da-da. Comes in some cool packaging like this. You get your Thor user manual and warranty sort of card. But yeah, really simple light. Not a lot going on in mode wise, but yeah, functionality, it's really cool light. So get a nice little bag, little velvet bag, and there it is. Really cool titanium flashlight. There's the front. Just a really cool sort of spacey looking titanium flashlight. A little bit out of the ordinary, which I really like. All these tubes along here, they're all glow tubes, so at night they're all sort of going to shine up. Get a nice beefy pocket clip, big beefy metal pocket clip. It's got that stone wash finish to it, which is, again, I like that in the titanium. I don't like sort of the shiny or anything like that in titanium, because it is going to get roughed up, and yeah, you know that sort of look is going to be pretty much how it's going to look. I mean, it's been tumbled through a whole bunch of stones and everything, so yeah, that's pretty much how it's going to look for you. Does have a photoluminescent shroud on the inside there, so if you've got the light on for a little bit, it will shine for like some time afterwards, which is just a nice feature. Now it's going to run off an 18350, which is included as well, and to get that, you just remove that back tail cap. There's a little transit tab, and then you've just got your 18350 there. So super simple light, double O-ringed, so it is going to be nice and watertight as well. Get your Lumintop bunny there. I probably haven't mentioned this in previous videos, but because they do an e-switch, you know that that little Lumintop bunny always shines up, and for ages I was like, oh, that's going to slowly drain your battery down, but you can turn it off with a couple, I believe it's like 7 presses, so you know, and that should shine up now. If you can see that, all lit up now. Get that in focus. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it just turns straight off. So if you're ever wondering how to turn that off, or if you just put it in your pocket or something like that, and you want that not to be on, that's how you do it without sort of unscrewing the back or anything like that. But really simple light. You can see how tight that is. So it is a maximum of 370 lumens, 360,000 candela, and that, see in the background there, that's on high there. See how tight that is. So as I said, 360,000 candela, that's how it's able to get that 1200 meters, 1.2K out there. You're looking at an IPX8 rated double O-ring seal at the back there, which is really nice. 1 meter impact resistant. You're looking about sort of 92 mils long and about 34 mils sort of wide. It is sort of that sort of hexagonal sort of shape as well. So just a really cool futuristic LEP. I mean, nobody's going to expect that this can go 1.2K. If you bring this out, they'll probably just think it's sort of a mantelpiece, but it's definitely really compact, powerful flashlight. Like I said, 2 modes on this and a strobe mode. So high, low, and strobe. So low is going to get you 50 lumens for about 2 hours runtime. And I'll get low up here. As you can see, it is crazy tight. That is just a dot there. And yeah, it is tons of functionality on that low mode. Jump up to the high mode, you're going to get 370 lumens, 5 minutes, and then it'll drop down for the next hour. So again, fairly decent runtime off an 18350, and that'll change depending on how big that 18350 is. Obviously, you can run on different 18350s. And then strobe is 220 lumens. But yeah, just a super functional, super compact little LEP that's just cracker. It just looks awesome. Really beefy pocket clip there, and just yeah, just a cool looking light. Lumintop have sort of got their really benchmark powerful LEPs. Now they've just decided to bring out titanium, and why not make it an LEP with some nice glow tubes and photoluminescent shroud and things like that. So there's just great features all over this Lumintop, and a lot to love about it. If you're into that sort of sci-fi sort of outer space feel, which I really like. Yeah, dig this titanium one. Usually not a massive fan of titanium, but I like the stonewash finish, and I like that it's different to a lot of tactical flashlights out there. But let us know what you think. Do you like that futuristic look, or would you rather it sort of to more look like the Ant-Man, another previous small LEP? You can go check out the link below as well to that one. But yeah, I'm loving it, and I could definitely see that one making its way into my bag or into my pocket for sure. It is a little beefy, but it's just a really cool LEP that fits in your hand, and it's going to outshine a lot of other people's flashlights. So yeah, definitely worth considering if you're looking at for sort of a futuristic little light. But yeah, definitely let us know what you think, and if you want to see it go head to head against something, I would be very interested to put this sort of against some of the other LEPs we've got, and maybe the Thor one. If you go check that one out, it's sort of the similar size. It does run off an 18350, so it'd be interesting to put this one up against it too. Yeah, so I'll drop a link below to the Thor 5. You can catch the whole Thor range and also the whole Lumintop range. They've got a ton of interesting, really cool flashlights in there, so definitely worth a look. And if you're in the mood for something more futuristic, space-like, grab yourself a Thor 5. You won't regret it, because it is just really powerful pocket flashlight. So thanks for watching this one. Please feel free to like, subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. Also hit that bell notification because we've got new content coming out all the time, so keep yourself up to date with that. And thanks for watching this one on the Thor 5, and I'll catch you on the next one.